How to use eBay item specifics for listing. First of all, simply open any web browser, for instance Chrome right now. Then simply hit on the tab bar, search bar, and type in eBay and hit search. And open their official website. Now here you'll see all of the eBay listed items. Now simply make sure to sign into your account by pressing over here. And you can sign in to your account using email or username, or even continue with your Google. Now after you complete your sign in, simply tap on your user profile, and that's it guys. At the very end, just above preferences and just below recently viewed, there is a selling option. Simply tap on the selling. Now from here you'll be easily able to list an item. Here you have millions options to sell, and they have millions of buyers. So you can list all of your items from listing to getting paid. Look at these guys to help you and sell and get paid. You can tap on learn more to learn about how this works, and there are the best listing prices also, how they can ship the item, and how fees work. Now if you want to list an item, simply press on list an item. Now eBay will show you how to add the item, like steps. First is share item details and find a match and edit and list. These are all the categories. Now you can just type here what you are selling. For example, it could be a novel or any book or even a purse. Now tap on hit search. And if something matches with already listed products, you can simply tap on there. But if it is unique and your product is new, simply tap on continue without match and select all the conditions. And if it is new, tap on new with imperfection, simply tap on continue. Now you're all set. You need to complete your listing. So simply add any photos and videos or front, and add the title that you want to add. Unique title could be, and fill in all of these details such as brand, materials, colors, and the numbers, conditions, and how much you want to sell, pricing. List all your starting bid and buy it now, reserve piece also. And if you want to offer any offer or discounts, you can list from here and select the shipping methods. And after you complete all of this, simply tap on listed, or you can also come back later, so tap on save for later. And in this way you can list multiple items on your eBay seller hub. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. It will be listed over here, and you can continue or resume draft later on. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.